Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Rubina Rana from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. Today I welcome you to lecture number 8 for Mathematics Class 1. You will be needing some essentials to start with our lecture. So please grab your Oxford Countdown Book 1 and some stationery, that is pencils, sharpener and eraser. So the topic we are going to learn today is comparing numbers up to 100, and the reference book is Countdown Book 1, 3rd edition. Okay, so we will start our lecture with comparing numbers up to 100. Go to page number 41. What are the learning objectives? Students should be able to know that which number comes before, after and between, and you will be learning to identify the biggest and the smallest numbers. What they already know that they have learnt in their previous class is regular counting from 0 to 100. Okay, now coming towards question number 1, write the number that comes, look at part A, before. Okay, the first part is already done in your Countdown Book 1. So 43 comes before 44. Here 43 and 44 both belongs to 40's column. Now we will start counting from 40 to 44 and we will see what comes before 44. So start counting 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So here 43 comes before 44. Now look at the next part. What comes before 69? We have already learned that 69 belongs to 60's column. So we will start counting from 60. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68 and 69. So 68 is the number that comes before 69. Now look at the next question. What comes before 80? So we know that 80 belongs to 80's column and it is the first number in 80's column. We know that 70's column come before 80's column. So we will start counting from 70. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So what number comes before 80? It's 79. Now next one is 36. What comes before 36? 36 belongs to 30's column. Now start counting from 30. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. Now the number that comes before 36 is 35. Now look at the last one. हमें जो नंबर गिवन है वो 28 है. और हमसे पूछा गया है कि 28 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा। सो 28 20s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है। हम काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे 20 से। 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 एंड 28। तो हमें पता चलता है कि जो नंबर 28 से पहले आता है वो 27 है। तो हमने ए पार्ट में ये सीखा कि अगर हमारे पास कोई नंबर गिवन हो और हमसे पूछा जाए कि उससे पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा, तो हमने पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वो नंबर कौन से कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है, और उसके बाद हम उस कॉलम के फर्स्ट नंबर से काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे जब तक हम उस नंबर पे नहीं पहुंच जाते, सो दैट वी गेट टू नो दैट व्हाट कम्स बिफोर द गिवन नंबर। नाउ लुक एट द पार्ट बी। Write the number that comes after. First one is already done in your countdown book 1. That is 24 comes after 23. We are given the number 23 and we are asked about what comes after 23. So 23 belongs to 20's column. Start counting from 20. 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So 24 comes after 23. Now look at the next one. What comes after 14? 14 belongs to 10's column. So start counting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So the number that comes after 14 is 15. Now look at the next one. We are given the number 99. So what comes after 99? 99 belongs to 90's column. Start counting from 90. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. So we get to know that the number that comes after 99 is 100. Now look at the next one. What comes after 55? 55 belongs to 50's column. Start counting from 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So the number that comes after 55 is 56. अब हम लास्ट पार्ट की तरफ देखते हैं। हमें जो नंबर गिवन है वो 49 है और हमसे पूछा गया है कि कौन सा नंबर 49 के बाद आएगा। सो हमने करना ये है कि हमने देखना है कि 49 40s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है, तो हम 40 से काउंटिंग शुरू करेंगे। 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50। तो जो नंबर 49 के बाद आएगा वो है 50। पार्ट बी में हमने ये सीखा कि अगर हमारे पास कोई नंबर गिवन हो और हमसे पूछा जाए कि उस नंबर के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा, तो हमने वही रूल फॉलो करना है कि हमने सबसे पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि वो नंबर कौन से कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है, और उसके बाद हम काउंटिंग शुरू करेंगे उस कॉलम के पहले नंबर से, ताकि हमें पता चले कि गिवन नंबर के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा। I hope you guys understand it well. Now, moving towards next part, part C. Write the number that comes in between. So we have three numbers here, 65, 66 and 67. ये पार्ट हमारी बुक में काउंटडाउन बुक 1 में ऑलरेडी सॉल्व्ड है। I'm going to explain this part to you so that the next questions will be easier for you. We are given with 65 and 67 and we are asked about the number that comes between these two numbers. So the rule that we are going to follow here is, look at the first number. It is 65. Now identify that from which column this number belongs to. It belongs to 60's column. Start counting from 60. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. So we get to know that 66 is the number that comes after 65 and in between 65 and 67. Now look at the next one. We are given with two numbers, 19 and 21. 19 belongs to 10's column. Start counting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we get to know that a number that comes after 19, it's 20 and comes in between 19 and 21. Now look at the next one. We are again given the two numbers 70 and 72. 70 belongs to 70's column and it is the first number of the 70's column. We will start counting from 70. 70, 71, 72. So 71 comes after 70 and in between 70 and 72. Now look at the next part. 38 and 40 are the given numbers. 38 belongs to 30's column. Start counting from 30. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 39 is the number that comes after 38 and in between 38 and 40. Now look at the last one. हमारे पास फिर दो नंबर हैं और वो नंबर्स हैं 57 और 59. 57 50s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है तो हम काउंटिंग करेंगे 50 से. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. तो जो नंबर 57 के बाद आएगा वो 58 होगा और 57 और 59 के दरमियान में आएगा. Now moving towards question number 2. Tick the biggest number and circle the smallest number. Part A is already solved in your countdown book 1. Now look at part B. Here we have four numbers 47, 49, 32 and 16. 47 and 49 belongs to 40's column, 32 belongs to 30's column and 16 belongs to 10's column. We know that the numbers that belongs to 40's column are the bigger than the numbers belongs to 30's column or 10's column. So look at the numbers 47 and 49. We will start counting from 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So 49 is the biggest number and tick the biggest number. Now the remaining two numbers are 32 and 16. So we know that the number that belongs to 10's column will be the smallest. That is 16. Circle 16. Look at part C. we have four numbers: 60, 40, 100, 80. 60 belongs to 60's column, 40 belongs to 40's column, 100 belongs to 100's column, and 80 belongs to 80's column. Here we know that the number that belongs to 100's column will be the biggest number, that is 100. So put a tick on 100. Now the number that belongs to 40's column will be the smallest, that is 40. Circle 40. Look at part D. The numbers are 72, 51, 64, 66. 72 belongs to 70's column, 51 belongs to 50's column, 64 belongs to 60's column, and 66 also belongs to 60's column. Here we know that the number that belongs to 70's column will be the biggest number, and that is 72. Put a tick on 72. Now the number that belongs to 50's column will be the smallest number, that is 51. Put a circle on 51. Now look at part E. हमारे पास again चार नंबर हैं, that is 87, 90, 99 and 100. 87 80s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है, 90 और 99 दोनों 90s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करते हैं, एंड 100 के कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है. तो यहाँ हमें पता है कि जो नंबर 100s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है वो इन चार नंबर्स में सबसे बड़ा नंबर होगा, दैट इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर, और हमने उस नंबर को टिक मार्क करना है. सो पुट अ टिक ऑन 100. अब स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर की बात करें तो वी हैव 87, 90 एंड 99 लेफ्ट. उसमें से हमें पता है कि वो नंबर जो 80s के कॉलम से बिलोंग करेगा वो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होगा. सो 87 यहाँ पे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होगा और हम उस यहाँ 87 स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होगा और हम उसको सर्कल करेंगे. I hope you understood the topic well. Now note down your homework. Solve the remaining part of this page in your countdown book 1. Write regular counting from 0 to 49 on your neat notebooks tomorrow, and from 50 to 99 the day after tomorrow. If you have any questions, you can simply write them in the comment box section. We will be pleased to answer those questions. Please stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.